Welcome back to AhTech. In Thailand, rice is far more than a staple crop, producing over 20 million tons annually. Thai farmers combine generations of experience with most satisfying agriculture technology to supply food markets across Asia, Europe, North America, and beyond. The journey begins in rice nurseries, where seedlings grow in specialized trays, holding 200 to 300 plants each. After only 15 to 20 days, these uniform seedlings are ready for mechanized transplanting, improving consistency and reducing labor requirements. Field preparation plays a vital role in successful rice production. Thailand's Nakfa 5.5 horsepower rice tractor can prepare between 5 and 7 hectares daily. By improving soil leveling, drainage, and aeration, it creates ideal conditions for healthy crop development. Although some farms still rely on traditional planting methods, the goal remains the same: developing strong root systems. Healthy roots improve nutrient uptake and plant stability. If you're enjoying this journey, please like and subscribe to AhTech for more. Modern planting has become much faster thanks to machines like the Kubota Spurv 6cm rice transplanter. Operating with 6 planting rows, it can complete 1 hectare in about 1 hour while replacing the work of approximately 25 laborers. As rice plants grow, weed control becomes essential. The Kuho Asharagri rice weeder uses rotating blades to remove weeds while loosening soil, covering up to 1 hectare in less than 2 hours. It greatly reduces manual labor demands. Protecting rice from insects and disease is another important step. Modern spraying equipment can treat between 2 and 3 hectares daily, helping farmers control aphids, worms, and fungal infections before they reduce crop yields and grain quality. Nutrient management also contributes to successful harvests. Fertilizer spreaders such as the Kasei model feature 20-kilogram hoppers and can cover approximately 2 hectares per hour. Uniform nutrient distribution helps produce stronger stalks and heavier grain production. On smaller farms, many families still harvest rice by hand. After cutting, stalks are bundled and dried under the sun. Though labor-intensive, this traditional process helps preserve grain quality before rice enters local milling facilities. Large commercial farms increasingly rely on Chak Sung Sai PC200 harvesters, equipped with 170 horsepower engines. 4 machines can harvest approximately 2.4 hectares per hour while cutting, threshing, and separating straw in a single operation. Harvesting technology continues evolving worldwide. Some Asian combines harvest around 0.6 hectares per hour, while larger European models can reach 1.2 hectares. Different approaches, yet all demonstrate how most satisfying agriculture technology improves efficiency and productivity. At rice mills near Bangkok, thousands of tons of rice arrive daily. Each load is weighed and tested for moisture content. Rice containing about 15% moisture can sell for nearly 11,600 baht per ton, showing how quality directly affects farmer income. Freshly harvested rice often contains around 25% moisture and must be dried before milling. Many facilities use rice husks as fuel for dryers. The resulting ash is returned to fields, helping improve soil conditions while reducing waste. rice straw also finds a valuable second life. Instead of burning it, farmers convert straw into mushroom compost. After chopping, pasteurizing, and inoculating with mushroom spawn, crops can be harvested in about 45 days, creating additional farm income. Once dried, rice travels through conveyor systems into large storage silos. Metal detectors remove contaminants, while air systems separate husks and lightweight material. Brown rice and parboiled rice are then processed according to different consumer and market demands. Further processing transforms brown rice into white rice. Valuable byproducts are also recovered. Rice bran is used for cooking oil and animal feed, while broken rice becomes ingredients for noodles, porridge, and many other food products. Quality control remains essential before export. Advanced Japanese color sorting machines inspect every grain and remove imperfections automatically. Premium rice, valued at approximately 19 baht per kilogram, is packaged for customers across Asia, Europe, and international markets. Large rice mills can process up to 2,000 tons daily while handling more than 50 truckloads. Combining skilled workers with modern machinery allows Thailand to maintain its position as one of the world's leading rice exporters. This concludes our journey through Thailand's remarkable rice industry. From planting and harvesting to milling and export, every stage reflects most satisfying agriculture technology. Which part impressed you most? From Thailand's vast rice fields, we now travel to California's fig orchards. Here, farmers face a very different challenge. Every year, they harvest nearly 50,000 tons of one of the most delicate fruits in agriculture without sacrificing quality. Behind this achievement lies a fascinating combination of skilled growers, careful planning, and advanced agriculture technology. Let's discover how this remarkable journey begins. Every great orchard starts with the right tree. Each spring, growers carefully select healthy mother figs, especially prized Turkish varieties known for sweetness and resilience. Small 6-inch cuttings are prepared with care because the future productivity of the orchard depends on them. Patience plays an important role in fig farming. Placed in sandy loam soil, these cuttings begin developing roots within about 3 weeks. By week 6, young trees are ready for planting. It is a simple process, yet one that supports harvests for decades. Before a single tree enters the ground, fields must be carefully prepared. GPS-guided tractors create rows approximately 3 meters apart, while laser leveling improves water distribution. Even with modern machinery, farmers still plant many saplings by hand to ensure success. Water quickly becomes the orchard's greatest challenge. Too little moisture can slow root growth, while too much may damage young trees. In hot growing regions, maintaining the right balance is essential for healthy development and long-term productivity. To solve this challenge, many growers rely on smart drip irrigation systems. Equipped with sensors and pressure-controlled lines, these systems can reduce water use by up to 60% while helping trees receive exactly what they need each day. Healthy orchards require constant attention. Once each year, farmers remove damaged, crowded, or aging branches to improve tree structure. Careful pruning allows more sunlight to reach the canopy while reducing conditions that encourage pests and disease. Better airflow and sunlight create healthier growing conditions throughout the orchard. With less stress, trees can focus more energy on fruit production. The result is often sweeter figs, richer color, stronger skin quality, and more consistent harvests year after year. As young fig trees grow taller, farmers carefully secure branches using soft jute ropes. These supports help trees withstand strong winds while encouraging balanced canopy development. Though simple, this traditional practice improves stability, sunlight exposure, and ultimately contributes to better fruit quality. Protecting young trees is equally important. During the early morning hours, growers often apply natural treatments made from neem oil, seaweed extracts, and plant-based solutions. These sustainable methods help control aphids, scale insects, and fungal problems without harming beneficial insects. Rather than relying entirely on chemicals, farmers focus on prevention. By treating the undersides of leaves where pests commonly hide, they help maintain a healthy orchard ecosystem. It is a practical example of agriculture technology working alongside environmentally responsible farming practices. Nutrient management becomes increasingly important as trees mature. Farmers apply compost and mineral-rich fertilizers to improve soil structure and support healthy fruit development. Balanced nutrition encourages sweeter figs, stronger growth, and long-term productivity while protecting valuable farmland for future generations. Patience eventually brings rewards. Most fig trees begin producing fruit in their third or fourth year. Mature trees can yield between 30 and 60 pounds of figs each season, while some premium varieties may produce 2 harvests annually over a growing period approaching 180 days. One of the most fascinating parts of fig farming remains largely unknown to many people. Unlike most fruits, figs contain hundreds of tiny flowers hidden inside a specialized structure called a syconium. Because of this unique design, ordinary pollination methods cannot work. Instead, figs depend on an extraordinary partner, the fig wasp. Measuring only about 2 millimeters long, this tiny insect enters through a narrow opening and carries pollen from tree to tree, helping fertilize hundreds of hidden flowers during the process. This remarkable partnership benefits both species. The wasp relies on figs to reproduce, while figs depend on wasps for successful pollination. In countries such as Turkey, which produces more than 300,000 tons annually, this tiny insect helps support an entire industry. When summer arrives, harvest season finally begins. From July through September, workers move carefully through fig orchards at dawn, picking only fully ripe fruit. A skilled picker can harvest about 200 kilograms daily, proving that human hands still play an essential role. Once harvested, every fig receives careful attention. Workers inspect the fruit individually before placing it into protective trays lined with soft paper. This extra care helps preserve appearance and quality, ensuring figs arrive safely at stores and export markets. Modern technology now helps maintain consistent standards. Inside refrigerated packing facilities, optical scanners inspect up to 400 figs per minute. The systems evaluate size, texture, and color, helping growers meet strict requirements for premium markets across Europe and Asia. Not all figs are sold fresh. Many are transformed into dried figs, one of the world's oldest preserved foods. Under California's warm summer sun, freshly harvested figs are placed on drying trays for 2 to 3 days. After natural drying reduces moisture levels, the figs enter controlled dehydrators operating at approximately 60 degrees Celsius. This process helps preserve flavor and nutrients while extending shelf life. Automated systems then wash, sort, grade, and package the fruit for consumers worldwide. From propagation and pollination to harvesting and processing, every step reflects the remarkable combination of tradition and agriculture technology. Afterward, onions rush into back processing lines. Automated systems wash, peel, and size 20 tons hourly. Packaged bulbs supply restaurants, markets, and exports, showing industrial precision meets everyday demand across the global food chain. Meanwhile, Franzen Farms harvesters pull onions at 50 tons daily. Rotating shafts loosen bulbs, conveyors shake away soil, and trucks haul 3.5 million tons annually, placing the U.S. among the world's top 5 onion producers. Then, the Ropa Ma's 6 loads 1,500 tons daily, cleaning dirt and leaves while conveyors fill trucks non-stop. Combined with the Tiger's 6 seconds, beet operations reach record efficiency, ensuring massive sugar supplies for processing plants. The Hunterwood FC8-222 hay press compacts bales with 300 horsepower of force, producing 2 tie bales at 25 tons per hour. This high-density system saves storage space and slashes transport costs for global hay exports. By July and August, hay harvest peaks across Texas and the Midwest. At Rolling Oaks Farm, 200 horsepower tractors pull balers, forming 1,200-pound bales. Each machine handles 20 acres daily, storing feed critical for winter livestock. Meanwhile, shaker machines rattle walnut trees, dropping thousands of pounds in minutes. Sweepers gather nuts, Husker strip shells and dryers process 50 tons daily. U.S. walnuts surpass 1.5 billion pounds, generating billions in export revenue. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to AhTech, and we'll see you again in the next farming story.